For decades, Amazon, Google, and Microsoft have dominated the tech world. But today, a new AI-driven company is rising, one that could surpass them all. Experts believe this AI startup could be the next trillion-dollar giant, reshaping industries, transforming businesses, and making early investors insanely rich. So what is this mystery company, and could it really be the next Amazon? Let's break it down. The AI revolution. Why the next tech giant will be AI-powered. Artificial intelligence is the biggest technological shift since the internet. AI automates human work, making businesses cheaper, faster, and more efficient. AI can create, predict, and learn, meaning its value keeps increasing. AI-driven companies scale globally in record time, leading to massive profits. Amazon used the internet to build a trillion-dollar empire. But the next tech giant won't be an e-commerce company, it will be an AI powerhouse. Which AI startup is set to become the next tech giant? While dozens of AI startups are competing, one company stands out. A company that could dominate AI just like Amazon dominated e-commerce. Meet OpenAI, the AI superpower. Founded by Sam Altman and backed by Microsoft, OpenAI is already transforming industries with its groundbreaking AI technology. ChatGPT and GPT-4 AI that writes, learns, and interacts like a human. DALL and AI creativity. AI that designs, paints, and creates unique content. AI automation and robotics. AI replacing human labor in customer service, coding, and business operations. AI in healthcare, finance, and retail, disrupting billion-dollar industries with data-driven intelligence. With billions in funding and partnerships with Microsoft, Tesla, and Fortune 500 companies, OpenAI is quickly becoming the backbone of the AI revolution. Why OpenAI could be the next Amazon? Amazon didn't just sell books, it built the world's largest online marketplace and cloud empire. Similarly, OpenAI isn't just creating chatbots, it's building the foundation for AI-powered businesses, automation, and a new digital economy. Amazon controls e-commerce. Google controls search. Microsoft controls software. OpenAI could control the entire AI-driven world. With AI reshaping every industry, OpenAI could soon become the most valuable company on Earth. Could another AI startup overtake OpenAI? While OpenAI is the leader, other AI startups are quickly rising. 1. Anthropic, AI that thinks like a human. Anthropic is creating Claude, an AI designed to be safer, smarter, and more intuitive than ChatGPT. 2. Cohere, the future of AI in business. Cohere is bringing AI-powered automation and analysis to businesses worldwide, competing directly with OpenAI. 3. Inflection AI, AI for personal assistants. This startup is building AI assistants that could replace human customer service, management, and even teachers. If any of these companies surpass OpenAI, they could become the next trillion-dollar empire. Final thoughts? Will AI make you rich? The AI industry is still young, but one thing is clear. The next Amazon won't be a retailer. It will be an AI company. The companies controlling AI will control the future, and early investors could make fortunes. Who do you think will be the next Amazon? Let us